Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this glossy emerald green look. Love how it turned out, if I don't say so myself. But if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. So I know I used this palette in my last video, but I was so impressed with the pigmentation and how creamy and buttery the shadows were to blend out, so I want to create another look using this. Like all them different colours, you still got your nudes in there, but it is more of like a colourful palette to use, but I just love it. It is so good, and I think if you like to do more colourful editorial sort of like out there makeup looks, then I would really recommend trying this. I'll leave the link down below of where I got it and how much it was and everything, so you can take a look and maybe get it. So to start, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and pick up the shade Basic, which is this really nice transition shade, and I'm going to pop that on the outer half of like my crease area and everything upwards. It's so pigmented. Like, I absolutely love this palette. I've never used this brand before, this palette, and I'm so glad that I did get it because I'm obsessed. So I'm literally just putting that on the outer half, not going too much into the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to grab a clean brush just to blend that out. There's no harsh lines anywhere. And then just using the same brush, I'm going to go into this darker brown shade. It's called Rowdy. Just pick up just a little bit of that, not too much. Tap off any excess. And I'm going to put this right into the crease area just to give it a little bit more like dimension. I still want to be able to see that lighter shade. So I'm just going to apply it right in there. Drag it slightly across to the inner corner, not too much. And then again, go back to a blending brush, a cleaner one. And then just to blend that out. And then taking a flat brush, I'm going to dip into this green shade right here called Envy. And I'm going to really sort of pick up quite a lot of product on my brush like that. Still tap off any excess because we don't want any fallout. So right from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to grab the same blending brush that I've been using just to blend out that line, just so it softens it a little bit. I'm then going to dip into the shade Breezy, which is this really nice aqua blue shimmer shade, and I'm going to pop that over the top as well. Oh yeah, oh my god, that is so nice. Ooh, love that. And then again, just to blend out any harsh lines, just going to blend that out. I love that. Looks so pretty. Then I'm going to take this pencil brush and pick up this navy blue shade called Mood. And I'm going to apply this right into that crease on the outer half and a little bit on the lid, not too much. Just do really soft, I'm using like a really light hand for this. Just do really soft circular motions into that crease, only on the outer half. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a smaller clean blending brush just to blend that out. And then I'm going to do the same on my lower lash line, but skipping the nude brown tones. I'm going to go straight into this green and run that under my whole lash line. And then just using the same brush, going to dip into that Breezy shade, which is that shimmer. Again, run that all along the lower lash line. And then lastly picking up that navy blue shade, which is called Breeze. I'm literally just using the same brush. And then I'm going to put that on the outer half of my lower lash line. And I'm only applying that literally like halfway, or 3/4 even. I'm then going to take this Morphe eyeliner in the shade Dark Room. It is literally just a black eyeliner, so you can just take any black eyeliner that you've got. And I'm going to smoke out my upper lash line, so I'm not going to be neat with this. I'm literally just going to rub it along my whole lash line, trying to get really close to the lashes. And then I'm going to grab this small shader brush and blend that out, so sort of really smoke it out. So I feel like applying that really messily and then blending it out kind of gives it like a really sort of like grungy, smoky sort of look, and I really like it. I've been doing it a lot lately and I really prefer like the outcome. I'm now just going to quickly curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. I'm going to apply the Max Factor High Definition Black Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. For my highlight on my face, I'm going to apply this one. It's called Saint, but it's in the same palette, but it looks such a pretty highlight colour. It's like a pinky rosy, which is perfect for my kind of skin tone. So this is the first time me using this highlight. I didn't use it in my other video, so interesting to see how well it applies. First impressions, it is very pretty, but it's more of like an everyday soft sort of highlight that you'd use every day. It's not like one of them blinding highlights, but it is pretty and it does like blend out very well, but yeah, it's just not like one of them blinding highlights. Then I'm just going to take a flat shader and pick up some more of that and highlight down my nose as always. Yeah, it's definitely a very subtle highlight. I mean, it does look pretty, but yeah, there's no wow factor to it. I'm going to pop that in my inner corner as well, just to brighten that up a little bit. And on my brow bone as well. So as this is kind of like a bright, colourful makeup look, I'm just going to do a nude lip. So I'm going to take my MAC Subculture lip liner and line my lips with this. Then all I'm going to do is pop some lip balm over the top. This is just the Nivea Original Care lip balm. So then to finish off this look, I'm going to take the NYX Lid Lacquer. This is just going to make it look like kind of like an edgy, shiny, glossy lid. I don't think I've used this before. I've had it for a while, but I don't think I've ever used it. So I'm going to apply some of this over the top and see what it looks like. I think I'm just going to apply it with my finger, just because it might be easier to apply. So it's just clear. Apply this over the top. I don't know if I've put in way too much on. Okay, let me mix that off. I'm just going to literally just press this over the top. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm going to take it like quite far up. Maybe like right all the way to the brow, maybe? Sure. That looks really cool, I love that. Let me do the other eye. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Love how it looks, and it actually hasn't like creased the shadow underneath. I don't know if it will over time, but so far it hasn't. Oh, I think it looks so cool. So this is the final result. I all hope you enjoyed this emerald green glossy lid high fashion editorial, whatever you want to call it, makeup tutorial. Absolutely love how it turned out. glossy lid looks so cool. Ooh. So far it hasn't made any creases on my eyelids. I have had it on for like a little while. Just been sitting here on my phone, you know. But it looks really cool. Let me know if you want to see any more editorial looks, if you've seen looks on like Pinterest or Instagram and you want a tutorial on it, then please by all means leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll check them out and I will recreate them for you. So yeah, I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.